So what if you are not ready to take Power BI and push your data into the Power BI cloud service for reporting purposes? Well, in this last video of our series looking at different Power BI deployment models, I'm going to talk to you what you can do on premises if that's an option that you need to head down and is still relevant for organizations that I speak to as well. So with this model, what we have is the evolution of what was called SQL reporting services, now called Power BI Report Server, where you can deploy Power BI content inside of a virtual machine you run, either on premises or in a data center or a cloud VM as well. So it's an alternative to the Power BI online service and provides some flexibility if you are in that kind of hybrid mode, or you've got some governance controls where you need to manage your data, including the reporting of that, of course. And it's very viable, I said, in a lot of circumstances. However, there are a few downsides that you need to think about if you really want to take advantage of the full features of Power BI. And that's really part of it, is that you don't have all the features available to you on premises. There's some great technical articles that I'll post inside of the links in this post as well, that allow you to have a think about whether you need those functionality or not. Also keep in mind that the release cycle for Power BI Report Server is behind. It's usually updated about 3 times a year, is the guidance from Microsoft, versus the online service, which is every month, is feature product releases and updates to the cloud service. You're always getting the latest service when you go to the using the cloud service. And last thing that we have come across with organizations looking at going to cloud or staying on premises is actually a different development experience. It's the same tool, but it's actually a tool designed for the on-premise report server, and reports aren't as transportable between the two as you would think. So there may be some redevelopment required if you have started going down the online path, but you need to bring it back in-house, or vice versa, of course, as well. So this is another thing to think about when you go down that on-premises deployment model for Power BI. So that concludes the last in this series of looking at the 5 most common Power BI deployment scenarios. There's an excellent white paper from Microsoft that actually outlines 12 that for other different sort of use cases that also might be useful to understand, and I'll put a link to that alongside this post as well. So I really hope that was useful. Again, with the 5 most common deployment scenarios being personal BI, team collaboration BI, enterprise collaboration BI, the customer front-facing BI, as well as then the on-premises model as well. And hopefully one of those will make sense for what you're looking to achieve with your reporting and analytics requirements.